When building a defense in-depth cybersecurity strategy, we often think of layering a variety of technologies to protect ourselves. But one of your most valuable layers isn't a technology, it's your people. At CIRA, we're dedicated to building a trusted internet for all Canadians. With our Cybersecurity Awareness Training platform, we're providing organizations with a way to easily manage a program that empowers their users to protect themselves from threats like phishing emails and social engineering. It all starts with our pre-built training curriculum. Once you've added your users, our platform automatically delivers our program, which includes a baseline assessment, concise training modules, and a few phishing tests. We keep engaging your users by automatically sending phishing tests every month. We also gamify the training experience by giving each user a cyber risk score and a personal dashboard. All of those features are automated to save you time, so you can focus your efforts on targeted training, which is made easier using our detailed reporting that helps you understand which users are the highest risk to your organization. From there, you can create custom curriculums, training courses, and spear phishing tests directly inside the platform and have them appear automatically in your users' dashboards. People will never stop being the target of cyber attacks, but with CIRA Cybersecurity Awareness Training, you can give them the knowledge needed to be part of the solution and reduce the chances of malicious breach in your organization.